Let's learn how can we use Adobe Express to create an Instagram reel without any footage of our own. So we can just select a proper template, edit some text, and we are done. So let's explore all of the possible templates. Normally you see the popular templates here at the bottom, but I want you to click View All. This way we got the pop-up window like that when we can select different categories like video or in our case social media. Select social media and at the very top you will see Instagram group when you can see Instagram Reels. Browse template for that, and then on the left we got multiple different templates. When you hover your mouse above you will see it plays and how long it is. This one is 6 seconds and I already got some footage in it and it's free. If you see the one with the little crown, that's the paid one, so you need to have like a premium account for that, but we can stick with the free one. Like this one, take a look, we got a footage from like the plane and stuff like that, and we can edit the text on it, we can remix this a little bit, even add some of our own images and footage if you like. So I click on this one, it's loaded now, and I see all of the layers here on the right. And I also see a proper timeline for the whole video at the bottom when stuff is appearing. So there are 3 different clips. Alright, so you could modify that, but most of us just want to change text. To change the text, you can first double tap on it. So click on the text and you double tap, the text will be selected like that, and you can type whatever you like. And I managed to modify the text. Of course, I could change the font as well here on the left. Now that's a different font. Effects and animations are also available. Alright, let's try to play it. And it's following the animation from the template, so that's nice. I could customize all of the text, I could remove objects I don't like or even add some new objects or pictures. And then if I'm happy with this reel, I can click download, select MP4, that's a video format, and then again confirm with download. Now Adobe Express will compile this video for us and then download to your hard drive. After that process is finished, you can find the video in your regular downloads folder. So here it is, the video playing from my hard drive. And here it is, the video playing from my hard drive. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.